Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of spicy braised tofu, and even though it has no meat in it, it was still pretty delicious. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. This might look basic, but trust me, it tastes amazing. Start off by taking your tofu block and slicing it however you like, cube or as I did. Now you'll need to pat it dry. Use a paper or a kitchen towel to do that. Over high heat, add the oil to the pan and straight in with the tofu. No need to wait long. If you cut it like I did, it'll need a minute per side. If you cut it chunkier, it'll need a bit more. Just fry till golden brown on each side and set aside on a paper towel as you make the sauce. For the sauce, simply pour everything together and mix well. Once that's done, take the pan with the leftover oil, pour the sauce mixture in, and let it thicken for a bit. Once thickened to your liking, add the tofu and make sure every piece is covered properly. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and you're ready to serve. This dish is great either hot or cold, you choose. Either way it's delicious and goes well with rice or noodles. So feel free to drop a comment below telling me how much you liked it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!